Assalamu alaikum students, it's teaching you. Today our topic is matrix for grade ninth. A rectangular array or formation of collection of real numbers. Say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7 or any number such as those real numbers are written in this form and this form is enclosed by bracket. It is said to be matrix. Similarly, the matrix is also written in square form. Row and columns of matrix. The entries of matrix in horizontal way, these are called rows. Like there are 3 rows in this matrix. Column of a matrix. This is matrix B and the vertical form of entries in a matrix, these are called columns. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns in matrix B. Order of a matrix. M shows rows, N shows columns. These horizontal entries are rows and the vertical entries are called columns. So there are 2 rows and 3 columns. It is written as the order of a matrix is 2 means row by 3 columns. 2 rows and 3 columns. In matrix N, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 rows, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 columns. So the order is 3 by 3. Equal matrix. Let's A and B are 2 matrices. Then A is said to be equal to matrix B when the order of A is equal to the order of B. It means number of rows and number of columns of matrix A should be equal to the number of rows and number of column of matrix B. The second important thing for the equal matrix is their corresponding entries are equal. जो उसके अंदर entries होती हैं वो भी कॉलम मैट्रिक्स A और मैट्रिक्स B की सेम होनी चाहिए. Matrix A, its example, A is equal to 1, 3, minus 4 and 2 and B is another matrix and its entries are these. First, their orders are same. The number of rows and the number of columns of matrix A is equal to the number of rows and number of columns of matrix B. So their orders are same. It means first they are almost equal. But another important thing is that their corresponding elements are equal. Like 1 in matrix A and there is also 1 in matrix B. 3 in matrix A and 2 plus 1, this is in matrix B, it's mean 3. Minus 4 in matrix A and minus 4 in matrix B. 2 in matrix A, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. It means they are equal. We have another example. L is a matrix, M is a matrix. Their orders are same but their entries are not same because 2, 3, minus 1, 2 and 2, 3, minus 1 and there is minus 2 in matrix B. So their corresponding elements are not equal. This is not a equal matrix. Thank you. Kindly subscribe my channel, like it, and learn a lot.